Good morning.
Good morning.
How are you?
How are you?
Please and thank you.
Please and thank you.
You're welcome.
You're welcome.
Excuse me.
Excuse me.
May I have a turn?
May I have a turn?
Let's play together.
Let's play together.
Can I help you?
Can I help you?
It's okay.
It's okay.
I like your shoes.
I like your shoes.
What's your name?
What's your name?
My name is John.
My name is John.
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you.
Do you want to be friends?
Do you want to be friends?
Let's share.
Let's share.
Time to clean up.
Time to clean up.
I love you.
I love you.
I'm hungry.
I'm hungry.
I'm thirsty.
I'm thirsty.
Can I have some water?
Can I have some water?
I need to go to the bathroom.
I need to go to the bathroom.
Can you help me?
Can you help me?
I did it.
I did it.
Let's go outside.
Let's go outside.
Look at the sky.
Look at the sky.
It's sunny.
It's sunny.
It's raining.
It's raining.
It's cold.
It's cold.
It's hot.
It's hot.
I like to run.
I like to run.
Let's draw a picture.
Let's draw a picture.
What color is this?
What color is this?
It's blue.
It's blue.
I love ice cream.
I love ice cream.
Can we read a book?
Can we read a book?
Let's sing a song.
Let's sing a song.
This is fun.
This is fun.
I like to dance.
I like to dance.
Time to eat.
Time to eat.
This is yummy.
This is yummy.
I'm tired.
I'm tired.
I need a nap.
I need a nap.
Let's build with blocks.
Let's build with blocks.
Can I have that, please?
Can I have that, please?
Let's take turns.
Let's take turns.
You're a good friend.
You're a good friend.
I like your drawing.
I like your drawing.
What's your favorite color?
What's your favorite color?
I like red.
I like red.
Can you tie my shoes?
Can you tie my shoes?
I found a bug.
I found a bug.
Look at the flowers.
Look at the flowers.
It's time for bed.
It's time for bed.
Sweet dreams.
Sweet dreams.
I had fun today.
I had fun today.
Let's pretend we're animals.
Let's pretend we're animals.
I'm a tiger.
I'm a tiger.
Can we play hide and seek?
Can we play hide and seek?
I see you.
I see you.